Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this little blaster gun. So, ages 8 and older. Let's unbox it and show you guys what you get. Alright guys, so you get these gel blaster bullets. You get a laser scope. You get the cute little handgun here. And you get some more blasters. These look like white clear, and a little manual inside. So guys, I stand corrected. This is not a laser sight. This is actually your housing for your BBs. So for your water blaster bullets, you just place them in here. Make sure you read your manual because you're gonna soak them in water. We've already done some already. So you soak them in water, get them to the right size, and then you are good to go. It's just a trigger action. So it's pretty simple to shoot. So once you put them in and they're the right size, they shoot out just by pulling the trigger. So overall guys, it's not battery operated, it's just trigger. It's obviously not going to be, I don't know why it says for, I guess it says for 8 and older because of the choking hazard. However, it's definitely, it's fun to shoot, but it's not gonna be like the electronic ones. But it's still pretty cool. It's still fun. It still looks cool. You just got to get, the thing that I don't like is you got to kind of get the perfect size. So your BBs or your blaster gels need to be the perfect size, so they can't be too big. If they're small, then it dry fires a lot. So you want to get them the perfect size, and that's kind of a hassle. I think that's the only downfall to it.